We threw a bomb in the tank!
The only way through is into that parking garage down the other side. We're gonna have to take it slow. Not sure if they can handle the sniper!
Car's hit! He's hit! Where are the targets?
Top floor of the building in front of you! Hit it now! Frost, get up on that minigun! Look out, RPG!
Hide! Hide! Get up! Now! Trophy system online! Good down! Everyone okay? Talk to me, Tutu. We're good. All right, let's roll! Got more inbound! 12 o'clock! Another T-90 is pulling up in front! They're falling back to the garage! Yeah, they're scared shitless! Let's move in. They ran further down into the garage. All right, let's get this show on the road. Just move fast. Don't let them swarm you. They ran further down into the garage. All right, let's get this show on the road. Just move fast. Don't let them swarm you. So another group headed through here. They ran further down into the garage. All right, let's get this show on the road. Just move fast. Don't let them swarm you. So another group headed through here. After you, 2-1. Acquiring target! Hey, whoa, wait! Back up, back up! Frost! Tutu! You alright? Tutu, come
Come
in!
on, man. Let's get out there. Systems are dead. Shit's crazy, man. You guys okay? Yeah, we're good. Can you shoot? Yeah, I can hold my own. All right, basics, fellas. Find cover. Return fire. Let us know if you need help. Now we move fast, so keep your heads up. Let's go. Contact!
Metal 01, ISR has spotted the convoy half a click from your position. Get there fast and secure a perimeter around that site.
Copy, we're on our way. Take cover!
Neutralized. We're moving up.
Overlord, negative precious cargo. I say again, they're not at the convoy.
Copy. Check the area for any sign of the delegates, but be advised, Raptor 4 will be on station for exfil in 10 minutes. Over.
Look at me! It's him. Overlord, PID on the Vice President. We're ready for extraction.
Solid copy, 0-1. Great work. Raptor 4 is arriving on scene now.
Truck, Bridge, we got our guy. We're on our way to LZ Neptune. Meet us there. Nice. I guess the first round's on us.
OC, we've got a caller with a lead on the chemical attack. Says he'll only speak to you.
Identify yourself.
Mac, it's John.
We put a lot of names in the clock tower this week, lad.
It was Makarov. The bastard slipped through my fingers in Sierra Leone. What does MI6 know?
You're on everyone's shit list, John. There's no way I could get you clearance.
Don't give me that. You still owe me for Pripyat, and I'm calling it in.
Easy, son. All right. We've traced the delivery freighter to an outfit in Bosaso, Somalia. It's run by a nasty piece of work named Morabi. My hands are full with it leading it home, so you're on your own. Good hunting.
What's the security look like?
Strictly 2nd Division. Local triggermen guard the compound.
We'll stick out like bollocks in a bulldog. Stealth's not an option.
Then we just have to kick in the front door. Tell Nikolai to ready his men.
Just move quick and we can select where I'll be before he bolts.
The sandstorm's moving in fast. Will we have one shot at this?
Bravo team, take point through the gate. Nikolai, suffer it up.
Missiles away.
Targets ahead! Engage! Engage!
Slow these bastards fast! They're targeting us! Nikolai, we need air support! Technical, come!
Moving into position now.
Yuri, you got control! Light them up! Shoot effect on target! Vehicle destroyed! They've got killed! Keep it in limestone!
Nice shooting, Yuri. Keep it coming. More hostiles coming out of the buildings. Multiple kills. Coming back for another strafing run.
Don't get pinned down! We're Arby's just ahead! So,
Additional forces closing in.
contact 3 o'clock! Lay down covering fire so we can move up the road! Cover me! tearing us apart!
Bravo team, secure the perimeter. Yuri, so let's find this bastard.
Cover me! Echo team, we're entering the target building.
Nikolai, prep for exfil.
Yeah.
Echo team is standing by.
Watch those corners. Contact front!
Possible visual on Warabi, second floor balcony.
Copy that. Possible on Warabi, second floor. Bravo 1, get in position. Flanking now. Multiple hostiles entering second floor room.
Target 2 o'clock! That's the door to his office. All right, weapons tight. We need him alive. Gas masks on.
Look familiar.
No, please!
Where's Makarov? Tell me and it's yours.
Our contact was a man named Volk. We never met Makarov.
Where's this Volk?
Paris! He oversaw the delivery in Paris!
Right then. This is for the boys at Hereford.
Nikolai, we're all be broke. We have what we need. Ready for exfil.
Almost there. The LZ looks clear, but that sandstorm is moving in fast.
We see it. Meet you in 20 seconds. So you think Warabi was telling the truth about Volk? He was telling the truth. I bet Makarov's life on it. We don't make it back from Paris unless we get back. Then we can talk to him. Nikolai, get out of there! Take cover! Contact right! Contact right! We don't make it back from Paris unless we get back. Then we can talk to him. Nikolai, get out of there! Take cover! We don't make it back from Paris unless we get back. Then we can talk to him. Nikolai, get out of there! Take cover! Contact right! Contact right! Get out of the open! Under our thumbs! Nikolai, change your plan. Head to the secondary LZ.
That sandstorm is coming in fast. I won't be able to touch down once it hits.
Just be there. We've got to push through to the secondary LZ before the storm hits. Let's move!
Christ, the winds are getting stronger.
Contact front! Look out!
They're closing in.
More of them on the roof! Keep pushing through! The LZ is close, keep moving!
Nikolai, the LZ's in sight!
Go fast. I don't know how much longer I can play this sport.
We need to push to the top floor! Let's move! Target 10 o'clock! First floor clear, move! Watch it!
Starting my approach to the LZ.
We'll meet you in the top, Nikolai!
and the sandstorm is on top of us. We need emergency exfil.
Roger. We'll contact you when we get a fix on Nikolai. Come on, lads. We've got to reach Nikolai before Warham's men do. Vehicle coming through. Straight along. Keep moving. I can't see 2 feet in front of me.
Hostile dead ahead.
Echo team, what's your status? We've located Nikolai's chopper. It's a half-click south of your position. Get down! What's the phone, Nikolai? We're clear. We gotta move! Move out! Get over here! That was easy. Price, we reached Nikolai, but we're under heavy fire!
Hang on, we're almost there.
Looks like they're headed for Nikolai. We're clear. There's Nikolai's chopper. Echo team's pinned down. Let's move. Echo team, we're approaching your position from the south. Copy that. Echo 2, we've got Nikolai. We're heading to the exfil point. Move out. Echo 2, we're approaching the exfil point.
Let's go! They just passed the ridge! Yuri, this way! We have to keep moving. Let's go! Come on!
We gotta move. So, folks in Paris, how are we getting there in the middle of a bloody war? We can't, but I know who can.
Caller, please authenticate.
Access code Black Viking. Get me a secure line to Asset Metal 01.
Bryce, thanks for the tip on Kingfish. You should know Uncle Sam's got a kill capture order on your head.
Tell him to join the bloody queue. Makarov's bomb maker, Volk, is in Paris. We need to act before he bolts, and I can't make the window. You're the only one I trust with this.
I'm on it.
The bastard used Fregatta Industries as a front to distribute the WMDs. I'm en route to their European HQ.
French Special Forces have located Volk. GIGN tracked him deep behind enemy lines, but they're pinned down.
And you want us to unpin them?
Prosecute the target as needed, but Volk comes back alive.
Any station, this is ODA 5905. All civilians at the Louvre are dead. Requesting decon units and medevac.
5905, this is Overlord Actual. Negative. All U.S. forces in Paris are engaged. Triage the civilians and move your team upwind of the plume.
This area is still dirty from the chemical attack. Keep your masks on. Look, we're on the deck and moving.
Roger. I'll meet you at the LZ in 1 hour. Good luck.
Metal 01, GIGN is pinned down at the Palm d'Or restaurant. Get there fast or we'll lose the only shot we've got at finding Makarov.
Roger, Wilco. 595 sounds like they got hit hard. A lot of rooks in that unit. No one's a rook today.
Roger, Stab.
01, be advised, GIGN is taking heavy casualties. They won't last long. You'll need to double time it to make the RV.
Patch me through to him.
This is Saber. How much longer?
3 minutes out. Just keep your perimeter secure. We're almost there.
Please, just hurry, huh?
Let's go. This way, move!
Contact! Coming across the street!
Go loud! Down the stairs!
Take 20 meters!
Frost, with me! Hit the bookstore!
On the balcony!
Top floor clear!
Taking heavy fire! Clear! Check the door! The restaurant's at the end of this alley.
Saber, this is Sandman. Watch your flyer to the north. We are coming to you.
Copy that. Mel, we're glad to see you, man. Hola, DPG! It's the GIGN! Allez! And all of them?
Hey, Cobra! What's your status?
7 men standing.
Where's Volk?
The Russians launched a chemical attack from a staging ground in the catacombs. We believe Volk is still there.
We got you 6. Lead the way. Overlord, this is Metal 01. Link up complete. We're en route to the HVI's location now. We gotta get across the courtyard. Frost, Bridge, lay down cover fire. Move, move! Moving! Go, go! RPG, top of the stairs.
We got bad guys inbound.
How many we got?
Looks like Moscow down there. We're gonna need air support.
Warhammer, this is Metal 01. Request fire mission, over.
Roger, Metal 01. Established in orbit at 12,000 feet. Full load. Marking targets. Engaging. Down the alley.
Let's go.
Established and ready for targets. Russians, robbers on the choppers!
Frost, PTR at the end of the alley. Let's smoke on it.
entrance, he's up ahead. Metal 01, I'm bingo on fuel. Give me 10 mics to gas up and rearm. Over.
Copy that. Thanks for the assist, Warhammer.
On the heel. The entrance to the catacombs.
Checking for toxins. Hold up. I've got negative contamination in this area. Masks off, but keep your eyes open.
We need to minimize our signature. One light source only.
Understood. Follow me. Stay close.
Metal 01, Blue Force tracker dropped the fix on your position.
We're in the catacombs, proceeding to possible target location.
Roger 01, we're sending a Ranger QRF to your location. Mark your route with flares so they can locate your position.
Roger your last. 01 out.
Smells like shit down here.
Yeah, but at least it won't kill you.
All clear. Move up.
Where's the rest of the GIGN?
A chemical strike hit our barracks at Satori last night. Most of my men died within minutes.
A friend of mine was at Satori.
Je suis désolé. This is why folk must pay for what he's done.
We will. I'll see to that.
Bienvenue.
Stay sharp.
This way. Approaching suspected location of HVI. 100 meters.
How many bodies do you think are buried down here?
Don't know. Let's make sure we don't join them. Flashbang! We got a runner! It's Volk! Overlord, we have a positive ID on the HVI. In hot pursuit.
Roger 01. Remember, we need Volk captured alive. He holds the only actionable intel on Makarov.
Don't let him escape! He's back up the ladder! Volk's getting in the Glacier Iron! Volk secure. Archer, you son of a bitch.
Bring him in for interrogation. We'll extract any intel he has on Makarov.
Truck, we got Volk. We're on our way.
Copy. Raptor 2 is spinning up now.
General, you're online with the President and National Security Council.
Mr. President.
General, have you found Makarov yet?
No, but we received actionable intelligence on his bomb maker. The situation is developing.
Developing? Do you have him or not?
A Delta team just took him down. I'm sending you the footage now.
What's their status?
They have Volk in custody, but their OPSEC's been compromised.
In English, General, please.
They're gonna have to shoot their way to the extraction point.
General, I want this man Volk alive. I don't care what it takes. You bring those men home in one piece.